This Lego in this video, I bought it back in 2013 and my son loved playing with it, and as you can see the condition still pretty good. A few days ago I read some article. Apparently this Lego, one of the minifigure, is really rare. This is a Captain Rex, and for some reason this Lego editions, which is number 75012, has a rare Captain Rex. And if I take this one, the helmet off, so this edition have Captain Rex with a big eye. See, as you can see here, and it was sold for about 150 pounds. So it's very surprising that this Lego set has become expensive and one of the top 20 most valuable Lego Star Wars from 2013. I decided to retire this and sell it online. Number one reason for playing Lego, it is really fun playing with Lego. Reason number two, from the financial perspective, if you already bought with this set, for example, you can simply disassemble it, sell it on eBay or sell it on the Lego auctions, and you pretty much get your money back. So for example, I spent this for $39 and now on eBay someone has sold about $230. So that means it's nearly 6 times minus the eBay commission, is nearly 6 times from the price that you pay. Put it this way, with Lego you can always get your money back as long as you still have all this set intact, like no missing pieces and all that. You almost guarantee you get your money back after a certain period of time. And if you're lucky, for example, this set have a rare minifigure, they'll guarantee will give you more than twice of the value that you pay for this Lego. And I'm going to put this online and see how much I can sell these Lego sets for. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just recently I reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for your subscriptions. Please enjoy this video and I'll see you next time.